Hello dear students, NEET 2020, the one of the most easiest paper that I have ever seen during my study of 30 years. Very easy paper. And now, though it is easy, we are going to discuss the problems of physics that are asked in this question paper. I am taking a set F1 and the physics portion starts from question number 91 and ends at 135. So I am giving you sets of 9 questions fully solved in a video lecture. First question number 91, asked dipole moment is given. First of all, I write what is the topic from where this question is asked. The topic is no doubt electrostatics. Clear? And they are asked, what they are asked, see, that obtain electric potential due to the dipole. Now see, very simple. A dipole, we all know a dipole is an arrangement of two equal and opposite charges, minus q plus q. This is the line joining the two, and from their midpoint, see, it is the question of a general point, and there is a point given. Let me call this point as M. Its distance is R. The angle is theta. Now if you know that if dipole moment of dipole, if we denote it by P, potential is a scalar quantity, then V, that is potential at M, the formula is, if you know, it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta upon R square. Simply, it is the calculation accuracy it is required in this question. See, then V at M, you know 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Its value P is given. Watch the unit, coulomb meter. So we write it as 16 into 10 to the power minus 9 into cos theta. Theta is given 60 degrees. Cos 60, and it is divided by of that of R square hai. So R square, distance is given 0.6, and let us square it. You see, solving a mathematical expression must be done consciously. हड़बड़ी में नहीं सॉल्व करना. एंड यू सी, ये 9 है, ये माइनस 9 है. फर्स्ट कैंसल दीज टू. cos 60 is 1 by 2 and it is 9 into 16 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. See how am I solve this. 0.6 का स्क्वायर बोले तो आप 0.6 को 2 बार लिख दो. 0.6 into 0.6. Clear? Then it is 9 into 16 upon 6 into 6 लिखा, ऊपर में डेसिमल, that is 10 to the power 2 आ गया, and into 2. अब आप कैंसिल करो. देखो 1 by 1 how it is cancelled. 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6, 2 8 is a 16, 3 2 is a 6, 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8. So it is 2 into 10 to the power 2, that is 200 volts. The correct option is 4th. Is that clear? Okay. Question number 92. The topic from where this question has asked. So from the question, it is very clear. It is written LCR, as the topic of this question is AC and LCR circuit. Simply they say LCR circuit. LCR circuit contains all three components, that is, it contains resistance, it contains inductance, it contains a capacitor. Clear? And now it is R, it is L, it is C. They must be fed across a source which must be AC source. Clear? So it is an AC voltage that you apply. And now what they are saying, when L is removed, if L is removed, you can see R and C will be in circuit. If C is removed, R, L and L will be in the circuit. And C, if LCR circuit, if you have made the phasor diagrams etc., then there is a phase angle comes between voltage and current that flows through the circuit. Clear? For complete LCR circuit, for complete LCR circuit, you see, have you ever studied that this tan phi is given by, it is omega L minus 1 by omega C upon that of R. Clear? See, just listen, read the question very carefully. None of the component is mathematically given. They are simply saying L and C. Even R भी नहीं बताया है question में. I have taken resistance of the circuit as R. Now, see, case number 1. If L is removed, सिर्फ C and R will be in circuit, then probably you know that tan phi will be written as 1 by omega C upon R. They are saying that there is an angle pi by 3. Pi by 3, do you know pi by 3 stands for 60 degrees. So it is tan 60 and the value of tan 60 is under root 3. So if I cross multiply, see, क्या मैं 1 by omega C is equal to R under root 3. Is it clear? Then second, when C is removed, R and L will be in circuit, then what is the value of tangent of phase angle? Tan phi, do you know? It is omega L upon R. Again they say that it is pi by 3. Remember, in one circuit current leads, in other circuit voltage leads. So again it is tan 60 and tan 60 is root 3. Again if I cross multiply, watch this, omega L comes out to be R under root 3 again. It means that the reactance of capacitor and reactance of inductor are equal. Is that clear? And then do you know the value of power factor? Power factor of a resonant circuit is called cos phi, and for complete LCR circuit, cos phi, if you remember, it is always given R by Z. Now, do you know Z, impedance of LCR circuit? Do you know it is under root R square plus omega L minus 1 by omega C whole square? But omega L and 1 by omega C are equal, so this cancels. So it remains cos phi is equal to R divided by under root R square. बोले तो R by R is 1. So the correct option for this is 1. Is that clear? Come to the 93rd question. Clear? let me write the topic of this. As you are seeing from the question, बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन देखते ही दिखा, लाइट ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी 1.5 टाइम्स थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो इट मीन्स दैट दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. एंड सी इट इज अ कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन. क्या बोला? व्हेन light of frequency 1.5 times of threshold frequency, that is if nu is equal to 1.5 times of nu naught is incident on a surface, clear, then it will produce photoelectric current. but क्या बोला? what will be photoelectric current if frequency is halved? मतलब ये जो frequency थी इसकी half किया. half बोले तो न्यू बाई 2 करो. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, न्यू बाई 2 करते ही ये 1.5 बाई 2 ऑफ न्यू नॉट. बेटा 1.5 बाई 2 मीन्स 0.72 न्यू नॉट मीन्स नाउ द फ्रीक्वेंसी बिकम्स लेस देन न्यू नॉट. एंड वी नो इफ अ लाइट ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी less than nu naught incidents on a photosensitive surface, then it doesn't produce photoelectric effect whatever be the intensity of the light. तो ये frequency यहाँ threshold से कम हो गई, hence the surface doesn't produce photoelectric effect. P जाओ उसको, clear? And hence what is they are asked that photoelectric current if frequency is half, so photoelectric current will be equal to 0. It means in this question 2 is the correct option. Is that clear? Question number 95. So first again let me write the topic, and again it comes from modern physics. See, the word de Broglie wavelength is used. So this question is coming from modern physics and dual nature, that is de Broglie's hypothesis. So see what they are asking. Electron is accelerated by a potential difference V. De Broglie wavelength is given to us. Now do you know that in terms of lambda, energy of an accelerated charged particle is given by hc by lambda. And do you know, if you measure E in electron volts, clear, then E is, see, shortcut is hc by E, it becomes 12375. Clear? And the condition is that the wavelength must be written in angstrom. See, I am converting it into angstrom. What it is written here? It is simply, see, lambda is given to us 1.227 into 10 to the power minus 2 नैनोमीटर से 10 to the power minus 9. क्लियर? यहीं पे चूक गए क्वेश्चन देने वाले, उनको पता नहीं था कि 12375 है, वो 1227 दे दिया उन्होंने. ठीक है? सो इट इज 1.227 into, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, 10 to the power minus 1 छोड़ा तो इट इज बिकम 10 to the power minus 10. क्लियर? एक 10 to the power minus 1 will give you 0.1227 and 10 to the power minus 10 meter means angstrom. So if you are measuring here the energy in electron volts, then it is directly put here. It is 0.1227. Clear? And this value is in electron volts. इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट्स में से वोल्ट बनाना है तो ई को हटा देना है बस. क्लियर? सो दिस वैल्यू कम्स इन इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट्स. सो सी ये इसको अगर हमने हटाया, सी देयर आंसर्स आर 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10, 10 स्क्वायर लिख दिया, मतलब वो अप्रोक्सीमेट है, लिखना भूल गए हैं वो क्वेश्चन में. क्लियर? सो इफ आई रिड्यूस, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व 1 2 3 7 5, बेटा डिवाइडेड बाय डेसिमल के बाद 4 डिजिट हैं, हमको 5 चाहिए, एक जीरो और बढ़ाया. क्लियर? देन कैन आई राइट इट इज 1227 into 10 to the power minus 5. And if on the approximation this is cancelled, then your answer is 10 to the power 5 electron volts. इधर भी electron volts है, cancel electron, so the potential difference will come out to be 10 to the power 5 volts. There is amendment in this question. Most of the institutes are given this. I think it is wrong. Is that clear? Next question is 96. Let us see what is the topic of this. Are you simply seeing capacitance? पहला ही वर्ड बोला capacitance, parallel plate capacitor. इसका मतलब this question belongs to again electrostatics. और बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन है. यू सी व्हेन अ कैपेसिटर इज एयर filled, its capacity is C naught. But if we fill a dielectric medium completely between the plates, the capacity becomes K times. Clear? Capacity becomes K times. Then K, do you know K is defined as the dielectric constant of a dielectric medium in terms of capacity. It is C when dielectric is completely filled upon C naught when it is air filled. And C, if you write it in terms of permittivity, it is epsilon and that of epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, that you say air or vacuum. Clear? Now see what it is given to you, that C हो गया है 30, originally it was 6 microfarad लिखा हुआ है, माइक्रोफेरेड दोनों कैंसल होगा and that will be equal to epsilon, and upon epsilon naught is given to us in the question. So if I cross multiply, see 6 5s are, simply cross multiply epsilon, that is permittivity of the medium which is filled, is 5 times of that of epsilon. Simply हमको multiply करना था यहाँ पे, so epsilon comes out to be 5 into 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. Unit is written, we write it as SI unit. Simply multiply, देखो 5 5 5 25, 2 5 8 40, 2 डेसिमल लगा दिया, 5 8 40, 44 into 10 to the power minus 12. उन्होंने क्या किया है, सिर्फ इसको रीएडजस्ट किया है. ये 10 to the power minus 12 के 2 माइनस उधारी लिए, तो देखो ये उधारी यहाँ 0.44, बाद के 2 डिजिट्स छोड़ ही दिए हैं. सो योर आंसर इज 0.44 लिखा, 25 भी लिखोगे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इंटू 10 to the power minus 2 उधारी चला गया, सो इट इज minus 10 SI units. So your correct answer is this, 0.44 into 10 to the power minus 10. That what I say. वो सिंपली पहले दिन पढ़ाए हुए क्वेश्चंस को क्वेश्चन बना करके दिया है. इट इज ओनली ड्यू टू दिस कोविड-19. एंड मेरे हिसाब से उन्होंने आप पूरे ऑल इंडिया लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स को देखते हुए ऐसा पेपर रखा, ताकि किसी को भी कोई मायूसी ना हो और वो कम से कम उसको ये लगे कि मैंने पेपर बनाया. इज दैट क्लियर? Let us solve 97th question. What they say? The solid which have negative temperature coefficient. So first let us write what is the topic. The topic is definitely current, electricity. Current, electricity. And they ask very basic question. Clear? The meaning negative temperature coefficient. You see, we study generally in this chapter for conductors, and heavy studies resistance of conductor depends upon temperature. The basic formula that we write R equals to R naught 1 plus alpha delta T. Delta T is change in temperature. Alpha is called coefficient of temperature for resistors. For conductors, you see there is a formula I am writing, probably you know. जब ओम्स लॉ डिराइव करते हैं हम, R comes out to be M upon N E square tau and L upon A. In these quantities only tau, जिसको आप बोलते हो रिलैक्सेशन टाइम, it depends upon temperature. When temperature increases, then relaxation time decreases, and when relaxation time decreases, then resistance increases. It is given by this formula. So the coefficient is positive or negative simply means that whether temperature increases, then what happens alpha and what happens to resistance. So conductors, it is clear that with temperature resistance increases. For insulators, their resistivity is so high, so they do not contribute for temperature etc. The only materials that are shown here are, you see, semiconductors. And in semiconductors, you better know there are covalent bonds. And covalent bonds, when temperatures increase, they break, and hence we have larger availability of electrons and holes, or you can say electrons. When number of electrons increases, it increases the conductivity, hence resistivity, and resistance decreases. This is called negative coefficient of thermal resistance for semiconductors. So for this question, only semiconductors can have negative temperature coefficient of resistance. Is that clear? Question number 98. First, if you read the question, it is damn clear. They are asking transistor action. That is, the topic is taken from सेमीकंडक्टर्स. सेमीकंडक्टर ही अपने कोर्स में है, भाटा कंडक्टर, आलू कंडक्टर, गोभी कंडक्टर नहीं है, जस्ट फन. सो सेमीकंडक्टर, और बिल्कुल बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछा, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर. पहले दिन कोई भी टीचर एवरी टीचर पहले दिन सेमीकंडक्टर ट्रांजिस्टर्स बताएगा तो यही डायग्राम बनाता है. दैट क्लास में हूँ, थोड़ी देर में लगा. टॉपिक सेमीकंडक्टर ही बताता है क्या कि इन अ ट्रांजिस्टर देयर आर 3 regions. You see, this is the block diagram I am making freehand because we are solving it. And the 3 regions, just observe. See, I have distributed them unequally. The first region is emitter, the largest region is collector, and the thinnest and the least doped region is base. It is because the work of base in a semiconductor transistor is to form two p-n junctions, one between emitter and collector and the other between collector and base. First is between emitter and base and second is between base and collector. इसका इतना ही काम है. Hence it is very very thin and also least doped. Highest doped region is emitter, and with respect to emitter, region of collector is large but doping is less. So for this question our answer is what? Base region must be very thin and lightly doped. Is that clear? Now 99th question. Screw gauge is written. Clear? Least count word is coming. Now pitch is asked. It means that the topic from where this question is taken is measurement. This is the topic of 11th and very first topic. Even 9th class में भी आपको schools में वर्नियर कैलिपर्स और स्क्रू गेज से मेजरमेंट सिखाया जाता है. It is asked. देखो list count is given, 50 divisions are there. Pitch का क्या मीनिंग होता है? Pitch we have everywhere screw. हमारे पास हर जगह स्क्रू है. If you revolve a screw anti-clockwise, it opens. If you revolve it clockwise, it goes inward. And when you revolve, it moves in circle but moves horizontally. So one complete revolution, जितनी distance वो move करेगा, it is called its pitch. And pitch is nothing but for a screw gauge. It is the reading of one division of mean scale. मेन स्केल का एक डिवीजन जितनी रीडिंग पड़ेगा. तो लीस्ट काउंट की डेफिनेशन क्या है? बिफोर दैट पिच इज व्हाट? इट इज डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन वन कंप्लीट रोटेशन. एक बार घुमाएंगे अपन क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज तो चलेगा. बस एक द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर जनरली मेड कि जब आप एक बार रोटेट करो तो वो मेन स्केल के एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक शिफ्ट हो जाता है. क्लियर? तो ये आपको निकालना है यहाँ. एंड क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? व्हाट इज द मेन स्केल रीडिंग? वन डिविजन रीडिंग ऑफ मेन स्केल. तो लीस्ट काउंट को डेफिनेशन कैसे करते हो आप? लीस्ट काउंट इज डिफाइंड एज वन डिवीजन रीडिंग, और बेटा यही पिच बन जाएगी, एंड डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ डिविजन्स इन सर्कुलर स्केल. इन सर्कुलर स्केल हो गया. तो ये जो पिच डिफाइन हो रही है, लीस्ट काउंट इज गिवन 0.01 मिलीमीटर. आई विल राइट इट इन लास्ट. इज इक्वल टू, ये देखो, पिच डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ डिविजन्स इज 50. इफ आई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सिंपली सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करो और आंसर लिखो. ऐसा पेपर है ये. ठीक है? सो इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई 0.01 इंटू 50. Here, so pitch comes out to be, एक जीरो गया इस जीरो से, so it is 0.5 millimeter. It means that 0.5 millimeter. This is your correct answer. Is that clear? How easy it is?